everyone, I hope you all are doing well. So this is my first video for pick a card reading. This would be your love pick a card reading for the month of July. Ideally it's a timeless reading, so you can just, whenever you find this video, it's your video. Now let me just give you a general disclaimer. This is a general reading. This is an intuitive energy general pick a card reading which has been used with tarot decks as well as oracle decks. Please feel free to get in touch at Luminous Guide for a personal reading. However, please take the way it resonates or just let it fly. If none of these reading resonates, please go and watch some other channel. Alright, so let me start here. This is pile number 1, which is the blue butterfly. This is pile number 2, which is the red butterfly. I will also be pulling up letters and charms just to see maximum how it resonates. So I'm just going to keep this away, and without further ado, let's start with pile number 1, which is the blue butterfly. If you can just see this clearly, I'm sorry, I'm just doing this setup for the first time, so please bear with me. Okay, so let's see the blue butterfly here. These are the oracle cards that I have right now with me. Oh my god, it's a little difficult for me to handle these, so let's check these. These are the tarot cards, which we will check a bit later. Okay, these are oracle messages cards, so let's check this. Attracting, not chasing. Let me put this here where you can see it. Meant to be. Peace of mind. This says seek. Do not seek validation from the external. The internal seeks respect. Okay. Wow. Intention. Be clear, decisive and focused. Be on a higher vibration. Work on your conscious. So let's talk about that. Answers. Only you have the answers to what you are seeking. Sorry, I just got a little sneeze there. Strength. Everything you've experienced in your life has made you strong and courageous. So these are your oracle messages. Okay, I think I'll need to shift this aside to give you a clearer picture of your messages. If you can see these, I think this is clearer now. Okay, lovely. Alright, strength we have my little Buddha here. Can you see him? Oh, okay. Now let's go to your love oracle, romance oracle messages, which one of them says new love. So where do I keep this? I'll keep this here. Love thyself first. Okay, we'll get into that. Let it go. Knock knock. Someone from the past is returning in your life for reconciliation. Oh my god. Playfulness and flirt. Strong magnetic chemistry. Recapture playfulness and attraction. Extend your light-hearted energy. Oh my god, these are a little corny. Let's see what these are. Okay, so I'm gonna keep these here for you. Okay, and we'll take a look at that in a second. I hope you can see these cards. These are all Luminous Guide oracle decks, which I haven't got them printed, so first video freshly for you guys. Okay, wow. Okay, so from your tarot you have this, which is the Nine of Swords. You have the Death card. Can you see this? Death card. And you have the Lovers card. Okay, perfect. So, okay, what I see right now is it's a possibility that you had a past relationship and that person is coming back to reconcile, okay, with you. Someone from past is returning in your life for reconciliation, and there has been a lot of playfulness and flirt, strong magnetic chemistry, recapture playfulness, attraction, that kind of energy. Okay, however, that person has also given you a lot of sleepless nights, your past, whoever this is. It doesn't matter whether it's a girl or a boy. You can just exchange the energy the way you feel. I mean, it could be your energy or the person that you are looking for, that person's energy. So it's a possibility that this person has given you a lot of sleepless night, right? Because you were chasing this relationship. Maybe it was a one-sided relationship. It's a possibility it could be a one-sided relationship, but you have to understand a lot of things, a lot of relationship, a lot of perspective. If it's meant to be, it will be. Okay, what's imperative here is your peace of mind. So in order of chasing this relationships, you have, I mean, this past relationship or relationships, I don't know why I said that, you have lost your peace of mind. But here the death card says that it's a possibility. So death in literal terms could be death of someone, but here, since it's a relationship or a romance reading, it's a possibility that there was a breakup. This was a dead relationship. There was no point investing in it. Hence it also says let it go. Let go of control issues and let the situation to unfold naturally, because there is somebody new who could be waiting for you in your life. Okay, someone new is seeking your attention, stirring into new romantic feelings. It's your turn to decide. So absolutely the decision is left on you. However, I think what you need to do, this is my personal perspective since this card is here, your self-love makes you more attractive. You need to heal. You need to focus more on self-love, right? Because you cannot truly love another until you know how to deserve love or how to love yourself. So even if there is even if there is this perfect soulmate, this is a soulmate card, this is a lover's card, this is a Gemini card. Not necessarily the person could be Gemini, hence I'm not mentioning any star sign here because it could be strong on your chart or the person's chart, but it's a lover's card. It's absolutely a great card. This shows that you could be having a soulmate knocking at your door, but you need to get into the mode and you need to love yourself first, because only if you have the capability to love yourself will you be able to give somebody else a chance, right? Because do not seek validation from external. The internal seeks respect. Obviously this makes sense now because you have lost your respect in this past relationship. If this resonates with you, please understand it is a general reading, okay? So don't catch me on this. You must have lost your respect. So, when we go to please someone so much, we give out our power. So this is what has happened, where you have given your power and you have been in sleepless night situation, crying and thinking about it. So everything you've experienced in your life has made you strong and courageous. Absolutely. Before that, be clear, decisive and focused. Be on a higher vibration. Work on your conscious. So you need a lot of work to be done, because answers, only you have the answer to what you're seeking. It's absolutely up to you whether you want to go for this new love who is there knocking at your door, who is your wish fulfillment, who is everything maybe that you have thought, but or you want to go back in this whole flirting situation. The answer is yours, my friend. It's not mine to decide. But if this is what you choose, then this is absolutely a no. You need to be in a relationship where you do not need to lose your respect. You need to be in a relationship where you have your respect. So this is your message. Let me just pull up some letters for you very quickly if this helps you validate. Let's see. Okay. So we have an E. If this letter resonates, let me just put this here. Okay, I'll just put this away. We have an E. We have a Q. Wow, you have an 8, which is again infinity symbol as well, or could be the letter A, or could be the number 8 resonates with you, or this person will come to you in the month of August, or you will meet this new love in the month of August. H, W. We have a number 7, another great number. We have G. Oh my god, there are too many of them. M, V. Here you go. A, here 11, right? P, U, X, Maybe it's saying release your ex. You get what I'm saying. uh, W, Y, W, and the number 5. Okay, so please check if any of these letters resonate with you. This, I don't know why I picked up release the X. It could be a possibility. Let's see, what are your charms saying? We have a couple of charms. I'm sorry, I've not gone shopping for new charms, so I have the old ones. We have a couple of charms. Okay, not much. We've got some leaves, so maybe you will meet this person in summertime. This person comes bearing gifts. The new one or the old one is trying to get into your head by bearing some new gifts to you. So you need to get on your ship, right? You need to get on your element. You need to get on the strength factor. Where is it gone? Where is it gone? Okay, I had seen it somewhere. You know what I'm talking about, right? Oops. Okay, where is it gone? I'm searching for it. Yeah, we got it. Strength. Everything you've experienced in your life has made you strong and courageous. Get on your ship, get on the strength factor. Attitude is everything, right? It's got a little mustache with attitude. Get into your attitude, means your positive attitude. Get into that healing space. Get into the intention where you have love for yourself, right? Love and respect for yourself. This is a little citrine, which is for money and good luck. And obviously then there will be celebration when you meet your new love, because you've got a little heart charm as well. All right, perfect. So this is your reading, group 1, pile 1. All right, pile number 2, let's get to your reading. If you've chosen this red beautiful butterfly, I'm going to keep this here. These are your oracle cards. Sorry, let's see this. This is commit. Oh, it already says commitment. Wow. Wow, that says amazing. It's all, you got a commitment card. Move forward. Okay, go ahead, make the effort, express your love with a romantic gesture. Great love is worth taking the steps you are guided to take. Let your intuitions lead your heart. So we have this. I'm going to read the commitment card as well for you. We have wealth factor. Oh, money is an issue right now. Finances are affecting this connection. Okay, let's see another one. Positive thinking, stay optimistic. I'm sorry, I'm just putting the cards here. Says stay optimistic about your love life, have faith. Okay, this is the tarot cards. We'll check this out later. We have trust your intuition. Trust your intuition helps you today, not just your eyes. Okay, so it's saying trust your intuitions, not just your eyes. Okay. Then we have anticipation. Open yourself to blessings and embrace wonderful changes. Let's take a look at that. Also, release. As you release negativity, you will find that your wishes will come true. Daydream. One step closer to manifestation. Okay, this sounds good. Not a bad reading. Once you believe, signs are everywhere. Oh, okay. So that's not. Let love light your way. That sounds good also. So let's take a look at your tarot. King of Pentacles reversed. King of Pentacles reversed. Okay, this is a very small space. I'm going to bring up the cards in front of the camera to explain to you. We have Ace of Pentacles reversed. Now I understand this card. And we have Nine of Cups, which is good. Overall, it's not bad. Okay, so let me just, I hope you can see this. Let me just clearly explain this to you. Okay, now where I see this King of Pentacles reversed and Ace of Pentacles reversed in the reverse, not in the upright situation, that definitely shows that there is some sort of finances or some sort of career challenges or issues right now, you know. So that's what your divine counterpart is working on, or the person that you are checking this reading for, him or her. Okay, let's just take that as your your person, right? Your person is working on the money, the growth, the finances. Hence, I'm going to keep this here. Hence, we have received another card here, which is like a confirmation. Money is an issue right now. Finances are affecting this connection. Could be a possibility that this person is concentrating on career, concentrating on money, concentrating on job, and this is a big issue right now. Hence, it is affecting your relationships. Hence, you both are not close. But spirit guides are requesting you to stay optimistic, keep a positive thinking, stay optimistic about your love life, have faith. Because of this issue, you must be having a lot of arguments and some sort of not really great communication right now. But this person loves you, right? Because this person wants everything for you. This person, whoever you are looking for, is definitely waiting to give you a commitment, right? Waiting to move forward, because your relationship is ascending to a higher level of bond. Staying together could be, or engagement or marriage could be next, but the person is not committing or right now, or is away, or maybe this is a long distance as well, is because of the wealth factor, because concentrating on career and finances, this is important at this point in time. However, it says move forward, go ahead, make the effort, express your love with a romantic gesture. Great love is worth taking the steps you are guided to take. Let your intuitions lead your heart. So what spirit guides are trying to tell you is that it's okay, these things are affecting. Try and be the best soulmate to this person. Try and say that, yes, I understand, I am a good soulmate for you. I understand that you are going through this career, and the wealth factor at this point in time is taking a back step, but don't worry, I am here for you. This is a message. So let love light your way. Trust each other, trust that everything is here for a reason. Maybe you're daydreaming of your marriage, and that's one step closer to manifesting. Daydreaming is always another step closer to manifesting. This is something in law of attraction also, but that's a topic for another time. Also, once you believe, signs are everywhere. So you are the one, this is showing your energy. If you're looking for, you are the one who's still not kind of believing in this relationship, maybe, or you are taking a step back because maybe this person who is your counter energy, who is your counter partner, has been going through this issue, and maybe, like I said, there was not a great communication right now. So don't worry about it. Release your negativity. As you release negativity, you will find that your wishes will come true. So release that. Obviously, open yourself to blessings and embrace wonderful changes. Trust in the process. Your intuition helps you today, not just your eyes. So just don't look at it from a naked eye. Don't listen to what people have to say. Trust your intuitions, trust your belief. Release your negative energy. And there is definitely a commitment card here. There is something, maybe he or she is working on materialistic wealth at this point in time, so that you both can come closer in this third dimensional world. So keep an open mind, be optimistic about this relationship. It's a good reading, believe you me. So don't worry about that. If you do need a personal reading, please feel free to connect with me on my website, on my channel, luminousguide.com. Okay, let's see. OUX, it's an NULOWE. Maybe the love in W, that's a possibility. BI, this is number 1. You could be number 1 for this person. So see which letters resonate with you. Do not worry about that. This person really loves you, my friend. This person really loves you. So let's just pull out some charms for you. Okay. I don't know what all is here. Oh, see, maybe he's working or she is working on this, getting a lovely home, for you guys. Maybe that's what they are working on, because obviously these are difficult times, so they are working on this. Stay rooted, stay rooted to your beliefs and intuitions. This a little thing, I don't know if you can see, it's with a cross, it's like a karmic cycle, so wait for that. Open your heart, work on your heart. This is a green heart, this is more of heart chakra. Work on your heart chakra, meditate a little more. You have stars, so you do have, you know, happiness in future. Don't go in the don't touch me mode right now. Do not fight. This person is looking for us. So this is another beautiful thing. So this person, I think, is looking for your support, and once you believe, signs are everywhere. So take a deep breath, relax, think about this relationship, because this person is definitely wanting to give you commitment. This is what we get from the cards here. Take it as you read it, take it as it resonates, because this is just a general reading. If you need a personal reading, please feel free to get in touch with me. But for now, this reading says that this person is absolutely working on building career, finances, and home. So give this person a chance, because this person really loves you, all right? And you have a solid rock bottom relationship in future. So I hope you enjoyed the reading. Like, subscribe and share my channel, and see you in the next reading. Bye bye.